This 2025 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 24BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features a Luna interior, sleeps 10, Skylight, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, LP detector, oven, smoke detector, water heater, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 24BHX is 5,756 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.